How to make money with Facebook page. There are several ways to make money with a Facebook page. Here are some common strategies. Affiliate marketing. You can promote affiliate products on your Facebook page and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Sponsored posts. You can partner with brands and companies to create sponsored posts or reviews on your page in exchange for payment. Advertising revenue. You can earn money through Facebook's advertising program by allowing ads to appear on your page. Facebook pays you based on the number of clicks or impressions generated by these ads. Selling products. If you have a business, you can sell products directly from your Facebook page using Facebook's built-in e-commerce tools. Fan subscriptions. If you have a large and engaged following, you can offer exclusive content to fans who pay a monthly subscription fee. Crowdfunding. You can use your Facebook page to promote a crowdfunding campaign and encourage your followers to donate. Remember, building a successful Facebook page takes time and effort. You need to consistently create engaging content, interact with your followers, and promote your page to grow your audience. Once you have a substantial following, you can start exploring these monetization strategies. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.